So today I'm going to change the serpentine belt on my 2006, actually it's 2007 Tropical motorhome. It's got the Cummins 5.9 diesel pusher motor in it on a Freightliner chassis, the XCS chassis. The frame is production date was June of 2006, so that's why I figured it's 2006 repair. We'll see what we can do. To get ready for this job, I went to Napa and picked up a belt, and then I also went to Harbor Freight and got a serpentine belt tool. So here's the back of the bus, and here's the access. So I've taken out the exhaust tailpipe right there, and which opened up a little pocket that I can climb into. There's the idler pulley. So what we've got to do is get it off all those and then pull it around the fan. So I've got the tool in the tensioner right now. And I just need to put the pry bar on the end of it and take the pressure off the belt, and then I can get it off the pulleys. So the old belt's off. This belt is 20 years old, and just looking at it, there's a few just small cracks, but you can tell the rubber's kind of not soft anymore in the ribs.